Hello everyone, welcome to accountancy class. I am Divya, lecturer in commerce, GSIPU College, Mysuru. Today in this session, let us learn about the new partner brings a share of goodwill and half of the goodwill is withdrawn from admission of partner, chapter 3, session 9. Let's get started. Sheetal and Sharath were partners in a firm sharing profits in the proportion of 3/4 and 1/4. Their balance sheet on 31st 2019 was as follows. Balance sheet of Sheetal and Sharath as on 31st 2019. On the liability side, creditors 46,000, reserve fund 40,000, capital accounts of Sheetal 30 and Sharath 16,000, cash at bank 30,000, bills receivables 4,000, debtors 16,000, stock 20,000, furniture 1,000, land and building 25,000. So total of the balance sheet is 96,000. On 1/4/2019, Renu was admitted into partnership on the following terms. Renu pays rupees 15,000 as per capital for 1/5 share and rupees 8,000 for goodwill. Half of the goodwill is to be withdrawn by Sheetal and Sharath. Stock to be reduced by 10%. 5% provision for doubtful debts be created on sundry debtors. Land and building be appreciated by 20%. An item of rupees 1,800 included in creditors is not likely to be claimed and hence should be written back. Prepare revaluation account, partners capital account and balance sheet of the new firm. So after going through the question, the items which are given in the balance sheet, identify that whether it should be recorded in balance sheet or in partners capital account. So here Sheetal and Sharath were partners. Their profit sharing ratio is 3/4 and 1/4. The items which is given in the balance sheet, that is creditors, it is recorded in balance sheet, reserve fund, partners capital account, capital accounts, that is recorded in partners capital account, cash at bank balance sheet, bills receivable balance sheet, debtors balance sheet, stock balance sheet, furniture balance sheet, land and building balance sheet. So all the items given on the asset side of the balance sheet, it is recorded in balance sheet. So Renu is the new partner here. She was admitted on 1/4/2019. So first adjustment, Renu pays 15,000 as per capital and 1/5 share and 8,000 for goodwill. So here Renu brings 15,000 capital and 8,000 goodwill. Total 23,000 brought in cash by Renu. And in the second adjustment, half of the goodwill is to be withdrawn by Sheetal and Sharath here. Sheetal and Sharath are old partners. So first and second adjustment are recorded in once in partners capital account. So under premium method, when new partner brings his share of goodwill and the goodwill is withdrawn, the journal entry is when it is brought in cash, cash account debited to new partners capital account. When it is distributed, new partners capital account debited to whole partners capital account. When it is withdrawn, old partners capital account debited to cash account. Next, stock to be reduced by 10% once it is recorded in revaluation account and again in balance sheet, and 5% provision for doubtful debts created on sundry debtors once in revaluation account and again in balance sheet. So in the third adjustment, stock reduced and it is recorded on the revaluation account debit side. 5% provision for doubtful debts, it's to be created. So when the provision increases means liability also increases. So it is recorded on the revaluation account debit side. Land and building appreciated, it is recorded on the credit side because increase in the asset. The item of 1,800 included in creditors is not likely to be claimed, hence it should be written off. So when the creditors is written off, liability decreases, so it has to be recorded on the revaluation account credit side. So let us prepare the revaluation account. Write the revaluation account, debit and credit, one particular column and one amount column on the debit side, and again one particular column and one amount column on the credit side. See the third adjustment, stock to be reduced by 10%. Increase in the liabilities and decrease in the asset is recorded on the debit side, and decrease in the liability and increase in the asset is recorded on the credit side of the revaluation account. To stock account, total value of the stock in the balance sheet is 20,000 into 10 divided by 100 equals to 2,000. So when the stock is reduced, that means asset is reduced, it has to be recorded on the revaluation account debit side. Next, 5% provision for doubtful debts be created on sundry debtors. So you should calculate the provision for doubtful debts on the total debtors. So it increases the liability to 2PDD. So actual value of the debtors given is 16,000 into 5% equals to 800. Next, adjustment, land and buildings be appreciated by 20%. Increase in the asset, it should be recorded on the credit side by land and buildings. 25,000 into 20 divided by 100 equals to 5,000. So 5,000 increase in the value of land and building. Next adjustment, an item of rupees 1,800 included in creditors is not likely to be claimed and hence it should be returned back. Means decrease in the value of the liabilities. When it is written off, decrease in the liability decreases means it has to be recorded on the credit side by creditors account. Amount is 1,800. Now let us balance the revaluation account. Here credit side amount column is more, that is 6,800. Write the same total on the debit side, 6,800. 6,800 minus 2,800 equals to 4,000. This is to balance transferred to partners capital account. Here partners are Sheetal and Sharath. Profit is 4,000 into 3 by 4 and 4,000 into 1 by 4. So profit sharing ratio is given in the question, 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. So 4,000 into 3 by 4 equals to, that is 3,000. 4,000 into 1 by 4 equals to 1,000. So the total profit is 4,000. It is distributed to all partners in their profit sharing ratio. On the debit side, one particular column and 3 amount columns is required. In the same way on the credit side, one particular column and 3 amount columns is required. First bring the capital balance from the balance sheet by balance brought down. Amount is 30,000 and 16,000. Next, bring if any undistributed profit is there in the balance sheet, it should be recorded in the partners capital account. So reserve fund is there, reserve fund. So total amount is 4,000. It is distributed in 3 by 4 and 1 by 4 ratio, that is 3,000 and 1,000. Next, bring the revaluation account balance by revaluation account balance, that is profit, that is 3,000 and 1,000. In the first adjustment, here Renu pays 15,000 as her capital and for 1/5 share and 8,000 for goodwill. So in this question, in the balance sheet they are given the cash at banks. So here in the partners capital account we should record by ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಬೈ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್, ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್. Capital amount is 15,000 plus goodwill amount is 8,000. Total 23,000 recorded in Renu's account. So next entry, when the goodwill is distributed to partners, the new partners capital account debited to old partners capital account. So by Renu account, she is the new partner. Total amount is 8,000. It should be distributed in 3/4 and 1/4 ratio, that is 6,000 and 1,000. So new partners capital account debited to old partners capital account. So write to who are the old partners here, Sheetal and Sharath. So total amount is 6,000 and 1,000. ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರೆದಾಗ ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲೇ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ಬರೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀರಾ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲೇ ಅಮೌಂಟನ್ನು ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ನ್ಯೂ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ ವೆನ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಗುಡ್ ವಿಲ್ ಈಸ್ ವಿತ್ಡ್ರಾನ್. ಸೊ ರೈಟ್ ಟು bank account. Here half of the goodwill withdrawn here. So total amount, that is Sheetal is 6,000 into half means 3,000. Next one Sharath, 1,000 into half means 1,000 is withdrawn. 1,000 amount is withdrawn. Now let us balance the partners capital account. Here the total of Sheetal account is 42,000. Write the same total on the debit side, 42,000, and find the balance 39,000. Next total the Sharath account 20,000. Write the same total on the debit side 20,000 and find the difference 19,000. Next write the total on the Renu's column 23,000. Write the same total here 23,000 and balance is 15,000. To balance carried down to balance sheet. So this is the way how we prepare the partners capital account when half of the goodwill is withdrawn. So total goodwill amount is 6,000 and 2,000. Out of 6,000 and 2,000, half of the goodwill is withdrawn by Sheetal and Sharath, that is 3,000 and 1,000. So you can write new balance sheet of Sheetal and Sharath as on 1/4/2019. So liabilities, amount, asset as well as amount column is required. Now see the old balance sheet. First on the liability side, creditors is there. So there is an adjustment for creditors. Record creditors, inner column 46,000 less written off 1,800 after deducting 44,200. Capitals is there. So see the partners capital account. Sheetal account balance is 39,000. Sharath account balance is 19,000 and Renu account balance is 15,000. Next see the asset side of the balance sheet. In the question, cash at bank is there. So cash at bank. So actual cash in the balance sheet is 30,000 plus 23,000 brought by the new partner in the form of capital and goodwill, and half of the goodwill is withdrawn by the old partners, that is 4,000. The balance is 49,000. Next see the balance sheet. Bills receivable is there, that is 4,000. Next see the debtors. Write the debtors amount, inner column there is an adjustment. So while you're going through the question, if there is an adjustment for the fixed asset, just you put the star mark in front of the particular items so that it indicates that there is an adjustment for particular assets or liabilities. Here creditors, debtors as well as stock, building, there is an adjustment. Debtors inner column 16,000 less PDD 800, outer column 15,200. Next, stock, actual value of the stock given in the balance sheet is 20,000 less depreciation 2,000, outer column 18,000. Next, furniture is there, no adjustment, write the amount in the outer column 1,000. Next, land and building is there, land and buildings, actual amount is 25,000, add appreciation 5,000 after adding 30,000. The total of the balance sheet is 1,17,200. On the liability side, again on the asset side, 1,17,200. Now the balance sheet is tally. So this problem is solved according to the goodwill treatment as per accounting standard AS 26. So if you are thorough with the basic journal entries under premium method, it is very easy to solve the problem. I hope today's session was useful to you all. Thank you.